Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we'll be learning how to make a flashlight app on code.org. That is very easy project to make. So let's get started how to make a flashlight. First of all, today we'll be choosing a demo. Let me use a demo that is called let's see Pastel. This is great color. So now I have chosen my demo in the design mode. And now here I'm going to be designing my screen. How to design my screen? First of all, I'm going to be typing here the ID of my screen. This is my main screen, so that's why I'm going to be making it as screen main. So I have written here the ID of the screen. So now let's see which element we want in our app. So now first of all I want buttons. Now before that I'm going to be renaming my project, that is flashlight project. I'm going to be renaming as pastel flashlight project. You can name it as a flashlight project, but I'm uh, flashlight app. I'm going to be deleting this project. Cut just pastel flashlight app. I'm going to be saving it. Here it is. So now this is my button. I'm going to be setting its button. Its text should be. Let me see what it should be. This is our purple button. So that's why I'm going to be renaming it as purple button purple. The ID is button purple or purple button. Now here the text is going to be purple. Now width is 155, height is 70, x position is 15, y position is 55, text color is white. Okay, and now background color is lavender purple any. Okay, now here the font sizes, let me increase it. It's 33 I think. And now here the text element is center. Now here its border radius is 30. You can also rename it as 0 or any shape you want to give to your button. Now I'm going to be dragging it a little bit down, meaning its x position is going to be changing a little bit. Sorry, y position is going to be changing a little bit. Okay, so now here the y position, you could say the x position is 5 here and the y position is 135. Okay, of the purple button. Okay, now let me drag here a label, that is our welcome label. So I'm going to be writing here a label, and this is our label. So now I'm going to be writing its ID to be welcome label or label welcome. Now here I'm going to be writing here the text, that is welcome. Now here I'm going to its width is 270, its height is 995, its x position is 20, its y position is 5. Here the text color is this one lavender, and here the font family is anyone you want. I'm going to be setting this as Arial. Now here let me set its font size, that is 45. Now here the border width is 2, the border color is this one lavender, and the border radius 0. Now I'm going to be making the center. So now it's perfect. Drag it a little bit down, so now its x position is 20. Okay, and the y position is 10. Okay, now let me make another button, that is our Which button is that? That button is pink button. So now let me make it as pink button. Button pink. This is our pink button. So now I'm going to writing here text as pink. Now I think it's width is 155, height is 70, as x position is 5, y position is 290, and the text color is white. And now let me change the background color, that is pink. So choose your favorite pink, any pink you want. I want this pink. And now here I'm going to be renaming it. Sorry, I'm going to be making its size bigger. Its font size bigger. Now here our pink is done. I think we should change its width because it's very big, as well as the pink, as well as the purple one. Perfect. So now the width of the purple button is 149, and the width of the pink button is 150. Okay. So now here, let's see another button. That is our blue button. So now I'm going to be changing now its ID. Its ID is button blue, or blue button. Now here the text of it is blue. Now the width is 150, the height is 70, the x position is 0, the y position is 290, and the text color is white, and the background color, let me change it to blue. Perfect. Now let's see the font size, that is 43. Now all the things are same here, okay, compared to these two buttons. Okay, now here let me pick another button. You don't have to click here, you just have to drag it. Okay, and if you have a button here misplacing, so I have this button, I don't want this button, I want to delete this button. Two ways you can do for it. You can just delete it from here, delete, or just pick it away to where it was. Okay, so now here button, now this is my button. Which button should I make this button? How about button, which color should be it? Okay, let me do it as gray. Okay, gray is a very easy one to do. Now here I'm going to be writing here gray. Now same, all the things are here. Width 150, height 70, x position 160, y position 290, and here it, let me change its color, that is gray. So now here you have like this, or you could also make it as lighter if you want. I like this lighter. Now I'm going to be changing its font size. So now we have done making all these buttons. So now I'm going to be first, let me change this colors a little bit, differentiate. I'm going to differentiate a little bit. Now it's, I think that's same also, but it's right now. Okay, now here we are going to be making same screens. So now I'm going to be making one purple screen, one pink screen, one blue screen, and one gray screen. So now I'm going to be picking here from a screen and write it here as purple. So now I'm going to be making it as purple screen. So now what you have to do, you have to be making, you don't have to do, and you don't have to drag any elements to in this screen. You just have to change the color of it from here. That color I think is purple. This is the color. Okay, yeah, this is the right color. So now this is our purple screen. So now let's see this pink screen. Now I'm going to be making pink screen. That is, put it here, and now write it down here. Screen pink or pink screen. Okay. Now here background color, choose a background color that is pink. This is right. Now let's read it and see the main. Yeah, it's right. Now here, now that we have blue. So now I'm going to be picking blue screen, drag one screen here, and now here you can write it as screen blue or blue screen. And I'm going to be changing its color because it's dark. I think this is the same shade that we have. Right, so now I'm going to be dragging another screen on which I'm going to be writing here as screen gray. And now I'm going to be making its parent color gray. So now you see we have all these screen. We have blue, we have purple screen, we have gray screen, we have blue screen, we have pink screen, and we have main screen. In the main screen we have 4 buttons and 1 label. That label is welcome label, and all things are mentioned here. Okay, this is our purple button. This is our purple button. This is our pink button. This is our blue button, and this is our gray button. You can see all of the descriptions in the description box. I'm going to be sending its link, writing its link. So that's why you can check from there that what is the width of it, what is the height of it. First you have to remix it, then you can see it. Okay, in the design mode. Okay, in the design mode. So now here let's go to code. So now here on the code, we are going to be doing our real coding. Now we are designing our you could say that designed our app. Okay, how our app should look. So now on event, when this blue button will be clicked, what it will do, it will set screen to blue screen. Which is our blue screen? This is our blue screen. Okay, so now what does it mean? Now let me show you does it mean. This is an idea of using a button. When you are using a button, you use this on event block. Okay, you use this on event block, and so in this flashlight, this is our flashlight app. So that's why I'm using a set screen block and an event block. So this event block is a clicking block. Okay, so now here I'm going to be clearing all the things I've made. So now that's why I have used here on event. When blue button is clicked, what it will do, it will set screen to blue screen. Okay, so now same for the every button. Now here, when the button gray is clicked, what it will do, it will set screen to screen gray. Here it is. Now same for the pink and the purple, that when the pink is clicked, what it will do, it will set screen to pink. Now here, let me do it for the last one, that is our purple button purple, and then it will set screen to screen purple. So now let's see our project, how it's working and how it is easy. So you see we have purple screen. So now I think we should also make a restart button. That is a very great idea. So on your screens, this is our blue screen. You can just make it here as, I think you could make it as this one. You can share your idea. We have done these all things. Same for the restart button. Just you have to say here the button restart, and then you have to set screen to the main screen. You can do it by your own self. Okay, so I'm not going to be saying how to do that. Okay, it's a very easy project. So I think you must solve this project, and it's very easy for you and a very amazing project. Okay, but is so this is a very main project. But if someone sees this project, wow, it's a very big project. It wants very so much coding. But in reality, you will see that we have to just pick two blocks, just on event block and the set screen block. You can make your flashlight app. Okay, so hope you have learned today's project. Okay, so I will see you next time. Okay, in our next video. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.